should be ready. Okay, so today we are going to look at multiplying two digits by two-digit numbers using the lattice method. So let's say I have 57 times 23. Okay? So typically, you would set it up like this. Right? That's how it's typically set up. So 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 plus 2 more. 17. Carry the 1 on over. Then we would put a placeholder in, move over 2 times 7. 14. Carry the 1. 2 times 5. 10 plus 1 more. 11. 7 plus 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, but some of y'all might not have this. This is the way your parents probably learned, and the way I also learned. But we're going to, it's okay, there's nothing wrong with that. But we're also going to multiply using the lattice method because that was something that I showed you recently that you were familiar with. Okay? It's okay. So let's try it. So for lattice, you have to have a box for every number you're multiplying. What was the problem we said we were multiplying, Vicky? Oh. Okay. 57 times 23. So we have to actually have a box for all of these things. Okay? So I'm going to do it like this. Now I'm going to have one box for the 5 and the 7. And also have to have a box for the 2 and the 3. Hold on. Let me calibrate this. It's lattice like I just did earlier this week. Except because you learn partial product. Excuse me. Hold on, let me fix this box though. Let's come down a little bit and make it easier. Okay. Now remember, with each box, what do we have to do? Cut it in half. So I'm going to go corner to corner. Okay? Corner to corner, all the way down. Ooh, let me fix my box because it's not even. Hold on. Let me fix it because it's not even. And it needs to be even for it to look right. So I'm going to go with a perfect square. Okay? So that way they'll fit. So we have 2 going this way and 2 numbers this way. Correct? All right, so now let me cut every box in half. So this one gets cut in half. Right? This one gets cut in half. And if I take it all the way down, it'll cut the other one in half. Right? And then this one gets cut in half. So what I want you to do is make sure you have your box set up. I just walked through every step of setting up the box. You can copy it, just like I did. Okay. So now we need to write our problem around the outside of the box. So we have the 5 and the 7 and the 2 and the 3. 57 times 23. The 3 needs to be beside the box. That's what we're going to be multiplying with. Okay? So now, I'm going to use my shade here because, what is that, wait? That's not the right one. Okay, whatever. We're going to start up here with the 2. times 7 equals what? 14. Remember, the left box goes the 10 place, the right box goes my 1. All right, now what do we need to multiply 2 by? 5. 2 times 5 equals what? 10. Do I need to multiply my 2 by? If I'm doing it up here, what should you be doing today? Okay. Do I need to multiply my 2 by anything else? Now what do I need to do? My 3. What am I multiplying my 3 by first? 3 times 7 equals what? Now what do I multiply my 3 by? What do I get? Okay. Now, what do? We add what together? The columns. Each diagonal column gets added together. So what is, looking at what we have here, what is the first thing I need to add? Plus what? 1 plus 0 equals 1. What do I add next? 4 plus 2 plus 5, because they're all in that next column, and what does that equal? 11. Can I write my whole 11 down here? What do I have to do? Carry my 1 to the next column. Now what am I adding? Plus 1. How many 1s is that we're supposed to be adding? 3, which equals? And my last column? 1. So what is the answer? 1,311. Are there any questions on how to use this strategy? I'm going to give you another problem. I want you to do it on your own at your desk. Using this strategy. Go ahead. Supposed to solve the problem. How do y'all feel about the strategy? Good? doesn't matter if my lines are perfect or not. No, it doesn't matter. But you do need it cut in half. 67 times 15. What's the first thing I need to multiply? Which equals? Huh? 7. So how many will go on the left side? Right side? What's next? Right. What's next? Which equals? And last but not least? Add them all up. Do I add them all up? What am I supposed to add? What's in the first column to add? Just the 5. Is 5 added to anything else? Just the 5. Because this is the column. What's in the next column, Carson? Tell me what's in the next column. And what else? 3 and 7 and 0, which equals what? 10. So what do I do with my 10? You looking at me, but can't say that. I need y'all to participate. Carry the 1. What's in the next column to do? What do we do next? 6, 3, and 1, which equals what? Yes? Yes? I'm going to give you one more to do on your own, and then I'm going to give you some practice. Are there any questions? All right, I'm going to give you one more, and then I'm going to give you some practice. And then I'll have to go back on the computer. Ah. There you go.